So we're working upstairs, right? And I walked outside to get us a trash can. I had a little bit of stuff I wanted to throw away. And the owner of the ranch is driving by with his feeder on the back of his truck. And he's got all his cows following him. I thought it was really cool, so I figured I'd show you guys. All his cows right there behind the trees. He had them all in a big conga line going. Look at them all. Thought that was pretty awesome. It was pretty cool to watch.
Got the plumbers here this morning, and we were able to make a trip. We ran up to town after dinner and got the drywall. We're doing, starting with some 9-footers. Another day on the ranch, another day on the remodel. It's exciting to get to a point where we're putting the house back together. How's that drywall screwdriver going for you?
That's pretty good. It gets in small places, but it sucks when you're trying to one-hand it because you only have one screw.
Ooh.
And I miss all mine. So it doesn't matter. I have to pull them all out.
Where are you going? I was just chasing you. Want to smell it? There you go. I just wanted your picture. I just wanted your picture. You got burrs in your ears. Did you just lick that? So why don't you give us your thoughts? Thoughts on the ranch life. Why don't you give us your thoughts on the ranch life, Poopsie? Huh? Give us your thoughts on the ranch life. Poopsie, where are you? Hey, come here, Poops. next call back for them would be to get the light fixtures in place after the client decides on what she wants. So yeah, moving ahead. And I'll turn the camera around as well, but the leach lines have been dug in the back 40 there. So again, moving on with that. The septic tank dropped out there. They're just dropping it in there by pushing it. Just looking at the new septic this morning. I've been out here working a couple weeks now on getting it all. So there's the house. And so septic tank here. And then got your drainage lines. And it runs out into the pasture back out in there. You've got leach lines dug out that way. So, not hooked up yet, not operable and running, but he's making headway.
Barracuda.